Правильно, зима. Да.
The Sea of Okhotsk cyclone continues to operate on the territory of Kamchatka. As a result, trees were felled, power lines were cut off, many houses were left without electricity, water, and heating. Residents publish in social networks the consequences of the disaster. It is impossible to pass in the yards because of snow blockages and fallen trees. On social networks, residents of the Krya capital post a video from the street of the city of Petropavlovsk. Not only pedestrians, but also car owners of Petropavlovsk suffered from the consequences of the cyclone. In different parts of the city, trees fell on the cars parked in the courtyards. Residents report that it is difficult to get through to the dispatch service. The city hall commented that the telephone line is indeed congested, and added that such cases can be reported through the city hall's Instagram account. According to the city administration, all requests received today from residents in social networks have been transferred to the work of the performers.